Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to another video. I'm actually wearing a crop top right now. I'm a mama 4, I don't wear crop tops except when I film YouTube videos and no one can see the region that is cropped. This the shirt is super cute though. I'll show you guys just to the crop level. I'm actually wearing a tank top underneath it, so you can't even see like my belly or anything. But yeah, this shirt is actually for sale in my Poshmark closet. It's a cropped topped. It says NASA on it. NASA, you know, space. Space sounds like a good place to be right now because Earth is falling apart. So actually that's what this video is about. It's how to stay motivated as a reseller when Earth is falling apart like it is currently. Yeah, let's just jump right into it. Like who says that? Philip DeFranco. Let's just jump right into it. Right? That's what he says. Yeah, shit's falling apart, guys. Today is, when I'm filming this, it is March 22nd. Let's talk about the current stats right now, right? I go to this website. Apparently a 17-year-old kid created this website and it has like all of the current up-to-date stats of coronavirus like around the world. It's like updated. See, it just updated. It's updated like every couple of seconds. Currently in the world, there are 333,030 confirmed cases of coronavirus. And this is just confirmed cases, which it's got to be a shit ton more than that because I've heard stories from so many people that are like, I think I have corona, but I can't get tested. Nobody will test me. So there's got to be a shit ton more people that have it that haven't been tested. 14,558 people have died from it, which is scary. But on the flip side, 97,340 people have recovered from it. My state currently has 89 cases. Fuckers, stay home. Like, it's not that difficult. Like, oh God, I don't know. Like, yeah, it sucks. Okay, yeah, it sucks. It sucks. Totally sucks to stay home and not be able to go out and do anything. But like, you're making this shit worse by not staying home. Like, I wish I could just like shake some sense into people. Like, what the fuck are you doing? What can you do? What can you do as a reseller? Because now it really sucks because like a lot of thrift stores are closed. I know who's closed. Goodwill is closed. Savers is closed. I know like mom and pop consignment stores are closed. What can you do? What can you do as a reseller? So the first thing you can do, if you're lucky enough to have a death pile or a money pile, I've heard people call it money pile. I've always referred to it as death pile, and I guess that's kind of morbid. So money pile. If you have a money pile, which is essentially, you know, items you've thrifted or bought and, you know, they're just chilling, sitting on the ground. I'm looking, I got a little one right here. But yeah, it's just items that you've bought that you haven't listed yet. If you have a money pile, a death pile, list that shit. List it, list it, list it. Now's the time to get on it, do it, list it. You can also, you know, go through your own closet. It's spring, well, kind of. We're actually getting a snowstorm here tomorrow night. We're getting like 6 inches of snow, so it doesn't feel like spring at all. I think actually the first day of spring was yesterday, right? Spring cleaning. Go through your closet, get rid of stuff. List stuff that, you know, you don't wear. Do the, Como? No, what was her name? Kondo, right? Kondo? That Marie Kondo. Como. What the hell's her name? Do her method, you know? If it doesn't spark joy, get rid of it, right? That's what she says. Yeah, go through your own closet, list stuff. If you don't have a death pile, you like your clothes in your closet and you don't want to get rid of shit, you gotta be resourceful. One little tip I have, okay? This is a good tip. Okay, before I tell you the good tip, you know, there's the obvious. You can buy online, you can try wholesale. I'll list some wholesale websites down below that are, you know, decent. I personally don't go for wholesale stuff. I like to thrift, but that's an option. Be careful. Be careful with mystery boxes. A lot of people are gonna be trying to sell mystery boxes right now, and I feel like a lot of those mystery boxes are going to be things that are like complete shit that people are just like desperate to get rid of. So I would not buy a mystery box from another seller right now. I wouldn't do it. Not saying everyone is like that, but I feel like a lot of people are going to try to get rid of like, you know, stuff that isn't selling for them, or, you know, stuff that isn't good. If you want to buy a mystery box, I would recommend going through like Goodwill does mystery boxes. They have their, it's called Goodwill Blue Box. Good luck with that though, because they're always sold out. I think they do restocks. I know they do restocks on Friday nights. I don't know, I always get emails like when they do restocks. So if you sign up for like their email list, they'll send you a notification of when they're gonna like restock boxes. But they have women's apparel, they have a vintage box. I really want to get my hands on a vintage box, but it's always sold out. They have men's apparel, they have accessories like watches and jewelry. They have a denim box. I want to try their denim box too. So yeah, if you're looking for like mystery boxes, I would recommend going through like a company like that. Yeah, I would tend to steer away from resellers mystery boxes right now, just because I don't know, I wouldn't really trust people to be giving away good stuff right now. You know, you hear me? Anyone, you feel me? You get what I'm picking up, what I'm throwing down. What is this piece of hair doing? What is this piece of hair doing? Being rebellious. Hello, I'm just gonna stick out farther than everyone. Another thing you can do to get inventory is to hit up your friends and family and say, hey yo, anyone got any clothes that they don't want anymore? You know, some of them might be willing to just part with it, give it to you, and you know, you can make 100% profit on it. Or, you know, you could do a little consignment. You know, they keep a percentage, you keep a percentage. But yeah, that's an option, you know, hitting up friends and family. Again, spring cleaning, people want to get rid of stuff. So now my little secret way to get inventory. Again, it's springtime, people are getting rid of clothes. Especially now considering, you know, we're on quarantine and people are out of jobs. Like it's fucking crazy right now. Like how many people are out of work, you know, how many jobs have shut down. Like it's just crazy. So I feel like people will be wanting, A, because it's, you know, spring cleaning, and B, because of the current financial situation in the world right now, people will be wanting to sell their clothes on Poshmark. Not everyone is, you know, familiar and knowledgeable with like selling online. So bottom line is you can go on Poshmark and you can find things for super cheap that you'll be able to turn around and flip and make money on. Bottom line, because there's gonna be people that are selling their things and, you know, they don't know what their stuff is worth. They're just guessing, they're just trying to make some sort of a profit, so they're gonna price things low because they know probably, you know, things that are priced low will sell. So that's your opportunity to swoop in there and grab it and then turn around and flip it. On Poshmark I'm talking about. Probably on other platforms as well, like Mercari and eBay. You can definitely source on those platforms as well. But that's just my little secret right now. That's what I've been doing. I'm actually gonna list a bunch of things that I bought on Poshmark today. I got some all black Nike Air Force Ones that I'm thinking about keeping. But yeah, I got them on Poshmark in a bundle and I'm turning around and flipping them because I got the bundle at such a great deal. So yeah, that's my little secret sourcing tip at the moment. You should definitely go and try it yourself. So a way to find like cheap things, I'll just show you briefly. So let's go to the search at the top here. Louis Vuitton. No, we're not looking for Louis Vuitton. Let's type in, well, let's do this. Let's type in Nike Air Force Ones because we were just talking about them. I'm thinking about doing a sneaker collection video soon because I got a lot of sick kicks. I think it'd be cool to show you guys. Okay, so we're typing in Nike Air Force One. Oh man. See, how does this happen? This is confusing. These are Nike Vapor Maxes. Like, why are these showing up? Does she have keywords? Oh yeah, she's got Air Force One in the freaking description. You're not supposed to do that. Like, don't say, just stop. So anyway, we have Nike Air Force Ones. We're gonna go to sort, and we're gonna do, did you guys hear that? My kids are playing in their bedroom above this room. My husband's up there with them too. Sounds like they're jumping off the bed. Anyway, we're gonna sort low to high. And okay, well, we got like a Nike Air Force One shirt. Let's scroll till we get to some shoes. Sounds like they're gonna jump through the ceiling. These are cute. These little Nike Air Force Ones, they're only $25. You could probably buy these, turn around and sell them for like double that, or almost double that for sure. That's something that I like to do. I do it every day. Search listings. I do the search low to high, and then I see you know, what people are selling for cheap. Again, there's gonna be people out there that just wanna get rid of their stuff and they don't know, you know, what things are worth, and they're just desperate to make money. Like, people are desperate right now, and it's so sad. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope I gave you guys some tips and encouragement to get through this terrible time. It's not gonna be like this forever, but unfortunately it's gonna be like this for a little while. So just stay positive. Yeah, that's it for this video. I will link my Poshmark closet down below if you guys are interested in this sick, cropped-ed, top-ed. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. If you do, I get a $10 credit, and you also get a $10 credit. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.